How to solder the heart of USB? This guy's hands holding tweezers are so steady that even AI cried. He is soldering the small chips of these cameras. The solder joints are thinner than ant legs. Don't worry, our soldering players will not make false solder joints or empty solder joints. Each solder joint is connected with the exact millimeter. Although these small chips look inconspicuous, they are the heart of USB cameras, responsible for processing image, signals and control functions, and are the foundation for the stability of megapixels. During the soldering process, our technicians will pay special attention to temperature and time control to ensure that each solder joint can be firmly attached to the circuit board, providing reliable protection for the stable operation of the camera and allowing each camera to perform at its best.